How to hard reset Poco F7 Ultra. Step 1. Start by turning off your Poco F7 Ultra completely. Press and hold the power button until the device powers down fully.
Step 2. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons at the same time for several seconds until you see the next screen.
Step 3. Once the Poco logo appears on the screen, go ahead and release the power button while still holding the volume up button.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset.
After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.